Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the In the Post. This is In the Post number 47 and we start off with 3 cards from the Gold Edge 10-year anniversary change checker. We have Paddington at the Station, we have the Battle of Britain, and we have the Platinum Jubilee cards. Now I have this full set of change checker cards. I'm just waiting for the new series to come along. If you need any of them, drop me an email and we'll see what we can do. I do like some stamps as well, and these are particularly good ones. So that's some UK stamps as well. Right. Okay, let's get into it. If I was to show you that, you may well guess who this next thing is from. And then that. Yeah, it's Mr. Dan Temple. Now, I belong to his, where you join them for 50p a month or whatever. So I've done that to help Dan and support him. And he had a raffle, or he had a thingy. The winner got 10 of this particular coin. Other people just got, like myself, just got 1. And it is the King Charles coronation coin, and it's the one without, it's the uncrowned version. Now this is the 4th coin I have of this particular one, but I'm certainly going to keep hold of them just in case. So let's done stuff out of the way. What else have we got? Well, I've got some more of these. I have the 10p, the £5, the 20p and the 5p from the wildlife series that the Isle of Man is using. This is to help me with the set. They're all uncertain, what do they call it? Bunk coins. And I'm trying to get the full set in bunk loose coins like this. I did like it that much that I did. This is a second partial set I've got, and I just couldn't get, for the life of me, the full set. So I had to go and buy the full set. So in this one we've got the 6 coins that make up the set. Nothing below a 5p. So you got 6 coins there, and you got the £5 coin there. So that's the 7 coins that are in this set. I will be doing a separate video on this particular stuff. I'm also going to use the second partial set that I bought a couple of weeks ago. I'm going to use 2 of the coins from that for the giveaway, for the my 200 subs giveaway, but that will be another thing. Next one, from the Isle of Man, to help with my date run. This is the Isle of Man. It is a 20p, and it is part of the rally card series, it's the Subarus. I will be doing a full review on that, along with some of the Irish TT ones. Talking about Isle of Man coins, there we go, that's the latest one. That's the Manx Grand Prix trophy coin. It's a second coin that covers the Manx Grand Prix and TT races that have been released this year. I will do a full review on that one in a little while as well. Also, what's going on at the moment is the Rugby World Cup, and there is a €2 coin from France who are hosting the 2023 Rugby World Cup, and that is the coin. I will do a full review on that again a little bit later. Now, this last one that we're doing for this particular In the Post is a blue card and the red pack of the Chinese New Year coin for 2024. It's dated 2024 and it is a Year of the Dragon. There have been some rumours that this and the next coin will be the last two in the series. There's a few to go apart from that. I believe that they're going to be doing the full series from what I was told when they originally started it. So I don't know what to make of that. Anyway, that's those two coins. So we have the blue card and the bunk version of the Year of the Dragon. We have the €2 version of the World Cup coin. We have a £2 coin from the Isle of Man, which represents the Grand Prix, Isle of Man Grand Prix. We have some coins towards the Wildlife Trust set. It's a partial kit set. I may well be using those or the other partial set that I've got to do my 200 sub giveaway. There is a full version of the Wildlife. There's a 20p Grand Prix coin, Subaru coin from the Isle of Man, and we have my my fourth coronation uncrowned circulating coin as well. So that does it for this week for the In the Post. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And if you are, and you haven't done already, sorry, if you haven't already subscribed to me, could you please think about doing so? I will be very shortly running the 200 subscriber giveaway, so keep your eye out for that. And in the meantime, until we meet up again, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.